Okay, I don't know what town this is in, but this is the other TopGolf. Long Island, New York. I don't know the town. I think it's Stony Brook. Yay, KONE. At least it talks.
First floor.
I haven't actually seen what's down here.
Going up.
There's more stuff. Do like those lanterns though. KSS 140, I believe. Sorry for the shake, I was looking at the inspection.
Third floor.
Oh, sorry.
Going down.
Where are you going?
One.
First floor.
There you go.
Going up.
Actually, we're gonna go to 2. I want to get the voice for 2. While we do that, it's looks like it's Inspector Alfonso Marshall. I don't think that's the company.
Second floor.
I think KONE is probably maintaining this.
Going up.
Holtsville, New York is where this is. The cab itself is actually pretty nice. Here's Big Brother.
Third floor. Going down.
Sorry.
There it goes. And that's, well, that's a cool design with the lantern. Wait, actually look at this. I like that.
Down.